I'm think that you all are okay. So today I'm going to teach you all how to make a design. I'm actually made this strong like this. It was actually like this. So my camera falls on. Okay, how you all are feeling this? Okay, so first of all, okay, I have solved it. And this is I'm just solving it. I'm copying and coming. Okay. Then like this. Then like this. No, this is like this. This, and I have solved this. I'll scramble it again. I want to scramble it. And I scrambled. And I will solve it. Okay guys, I have made almost, and it is done. So guys, meet you in the next. I forgot to show you the design actually. First, to bring this white middle point, the red like Canada flag. Then two moves, then bring this. Then what you have to do, just bring this up, red down, and done. Now again then again reverse it, then bring up, then this, then this. So guys, I hope you like it. So meet you in the next videos. Till then, bye.